Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to find the unknowns when the distance of 2 points are given. So we'll start from this teaching examples 10.6. In these examples, you will see that you have 3 points, 2 unknowns, small letter p and small letter r, and also the distance. Now you are trying to find the values of the 2 unknowns, these 2 small letters. So now let's have a look on the pictures. On the left, if the question hasn't mentioned any pictures, I suggest you to sketch one by yourself so that you know what's going on with the questions. Now, in the pictures, you will see that PQ here with the unknown P. So, this PQ is vertical lines. So you know that these 4, the x coordinate, will not be used. You just use the P and -3. So, start from PQ equals to 11 units. And you know that to calculate this PQ, you will use the larger numbers P as it is on top, comparing with Q. You use this P first, and then minus the smaller number -3, so that you can complete your equations. Your second steps will be solve these equations to get the answer of the values of the P. P will equals to 8. After you find the P, you will go to find R. This time, R will start from QR equals to 9 units. And you won't use this -3 because it is y coordinate, but the 9 here is horizontal. So you will use this R and 4. And also, the Q is on the right of your R. In other words, this 4 should be larger than the values of R. So you will have 4 minus R to find QR equals to 9. And then solve it. First, minus both sides by 4. You will get -R equals to 5. Last, multiply both sides by -1. So you will get R equals to -5. That's it. Of course, one question is not enough, so we'll have another one. Teaching examples 10.6 extra. This time, in the figure, BAD is a straight line, and also you found that point B, C, and D are of the same distance from A. It will be useful later. Let's have a check on the part. Part A, find the distance between point A and B. Part B, find the values of C. Part C, find the coordinates of point D. So, let's check how to find the values. Let's start from part A. Finding distance AB. This time AB is vertical, so you don't use the x coordinate 3. You just use 9 and 4. So, AB equals to 9 minus 4 units equals to 5 units. Next will be part B, finding the small letter C. You need to get back the information that BCD has the same distance from A. So these 9, and these 9 are equal. But you won't use AD, as you focus on the small letter C, so you will use AC and AB, they are the same only. And finding the distance of AC, as AC is horizontal, so you won't use 4, you just use these 3 and C. And also, the point A is on the right of C, so 3 should be larger than C. Therefore, 3 minus C equals to AB, that is 5. Solving the equations and get C equals to -2. Last one, part C, to find D. In this moment, this D you need to figure out something. You need to make some unknowns. And also grab some informations. X coordinate and Y coordinate seems that you should have two unknowns, but it is not, because you see that this BAD, they are horizontal. In other words, this X coordinate must be free. Now, you just want to find this Y coordinate. Therefore, let AB be the coordinate of D, or just write down let 3 and then comma B be the coordinate of D. As BAD is vertical line, so A must be 3. And also you know AD equals to AB and AC, so AD is 5 units. And in this moment, your B here, according to your questions, you want to make it as B, small letter b, and this point D is below the point A, so this 4 must be larger. 4 minus b equals to 5, so that you can find the values of b, -1. And it is not the end, because you just finished finding the value of b. You need to write down one more sentence to repeat the coordinate of D. Therefore, coordinates of D equals to 3, -1, like this.